for Big Kids TV, India.
Hello, how are you? I made a list of things we can do in a sunny day. Like walk in the park, sit in the shade, triple-A-R, and stroll in our favorite banana. Depending on the weather, we can go down with a splash of water and stretch to make snow angels, hike on a hill, or just hang out and eat snacks. If we have to stay in, we'll take turns to visit, and we can put on a playlist, listen to music, or sing our favorite songs. We can work on crafts or just find something to celebrate. Maybe we'll have sleepover too. We can work on crafts or just find something to celebrate. Maybe we'll have sleepover too. We can end the day with warm milk and a bubble bath, then say good night, la 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 la, eh, la la la, eh.
Goodbye. Like, subscribe and share and hit the bell icon.